Good morning, everyone. We're still lagging here. I don't know. I've been trying to fix this lag, but I don't know why it just started happening. But I guess we'll try to see what we can do with this. It's annoying. I guess I'll take care of that later. So I'm on these two Fundednext accounts. It's quite annoying, but whatever. So I'm on these two Fundednext accounts. As you can see here, passed one of it. I still haven't taken a trade on the funded account. And then there's another one here, which I only need like 270 more to pass. So let's see if I can pass that today. But yeah, I haven't taken any trades. I'm going to take my first trade on this account today. If you guys want to check out Fundednext, go to fundednext.com, start a challenge. And if you want to purchase one, just use my code STANFX for a nice discount on the futures, or use my code STAN for a nice discount on CFDs. Anyways, let's get right to this. I'm probably going to take my first trade today. This lag is very annoying. I'll take a look at what's going on here, but it's very annoying. I was rewatching my YouTube videos and the lag was just ridiculous. Rise and shine. You're going to pass for today? Nice, nice, nice. You don't have to trade every single day. I think the lag is much better. Okay, it's not lagging as much now. That's good. Yeah, you don't have to trade every single day. If you see that the market is choppy and you're not interested, it's very wise to not participate. Let's take a look at NQ here. Beautiful, beautiful. That's funny. Let's see what we have here, though. I should definitely get it trademarked, the beautiful. I really should. That'd be so cool. So straight off the rip, I could see that we swept these lows here. Yeah, we swept these lows, but I could also see that we're struggling in this fair value gap here. So let's see what we want to do here. I'm doing MYM. I'm using MYM today because just in case I want to trim, things of that nature. Really do hate this lag though, I'm gonna lie. See if I could take care of that, man. So whatever trade I take on this account, it copies it on the other account. See if this demand zone wants to hold. Do I plan to trade crypto? This is YM. I'm not entering yet. I'm just looking at something here. I lied. I did enter. First trade on Funded. Let's see. Let's see. So that stops right there. He entered off a trend line. Trend line break. Trend line break. Let's see if it holds though. What's your favorite index to trade? Gotta be NQ and YM. YM and NQ. Love both of them. Ethan is gonna go right back down. Are you sure? Let's see. Could be right. Let's see. Because we're still within that fair value gap. So, but it's not about whether I'm right or wrong. It's just about my setup presents itself. I follow it. Whatever happens, happens. The result is not in my hands. The only thing I can control is my entry. So I'm already in this trade. So now I have to commit. So I do want to take like half off when we get to 90, or if we get to 90. I want to take like 5 off. Well, 5. Sell 5 up there, and then we'll see if we can hold for more. Possibly. Because NASDAQ pays more money. Honestly, that's not really that true. If you slap huge contracts on YM, you're gonna make money. So as long as you know what you're doing. NASDAQ does move more aggressively. That's a fact. But yeah, it's not about being right or wrong, guys. It's not. It's really not. you're focused on being right or wrong, you're gonna be doing a whole bunch of crazy things. You just gotta have a strategy. When your strategy presents itself, take it. If it wins, cool. If it doesn't, cool. It's just part of the probabilities of things. It's just part of the probabilities game. You can't win them all, and you're not gonna lose them all. So you literally just have to execute and just allow the market to give you what it wants, show you its hand. First trade on Funded. Let's see if this thing can hit TP. First trade on Funded, guys. Go check out BYND. I have no idea what that is. BYND. But don't. Okay, yeah, I don't know what that is, but just don't spam that. Good morning. Why are you taking 10 MYM? Just so I could trim. Just so I could trim. That's the only reason I'm taking 10 MYM instead of 1 YM. Just want to be able to trim when we get to the profit targets. Yup, Paris, it's about following your strategy, brother. Like, there's no such thing as being right, or there is, but we shouldn't look at it as being right or wrong. We should look at it as, did I follow my plan? Yes, cool. Did it give me a good result? Yes, cool. Did it give me a good result? No, cool. Accept it, move on to the next trade. Yep, it's about having a harmonious trading style with your day-to-day life. That's true. Do you have any video on how to set up buy? Yes, I do actually. I have a very thorough video on my channel. It's called How to Trade Directly on TradingView. I think it's one of my most viewed videos, so you could definitely check that out. If your trading style upsets your girlfriend, you might want to switch it up or get a new girlfriend. Definitely get a new girlfriend. If you have a profitable trading style and your girl don't support that, man, trash that girl, brother. She's talking, but I would get out right there though. That's a trend there. Nah, fuck that. I'm following the plan to the T. If it ends up in a loss, oh well. Fair value, pop. We are kind of choppy though, but fair value, pop. Put that Let's see what this YM can give us, man. If it gives us anything. This is my first trade on my funded account, guys. The funded account that I passed with you guys live with everybody. It's all documented on my channel. Content creator, not a real trader. Okay, sleaze. Okay, sleaze. Sleaze. Okay. What else? Yeah, probably gonna be cooked here, but oh well. Edie, what Edie? Yeah, Sleaze just want to talk shit. Sleaze is a hater, but I love my haters. Like I love my haters. They're literally part of the reason that these social media platforms push my shit. Because people like to hate. I love that. I see the setup you're going for. You're hiding behind that big red Big green candle. I don't know what that means, but okay. Oh gosh, we're short. Yeah, we probably are. Probably. Stops should really be under here, like realistically. That's where they should be, but like it is what it is. Stop should be there. I won't lie. Like stop should really be there. Let me move it there. But now I've kind of increased my risk, which I don't like, because now 50 tick stop. I don't really like that. Okay, I'll just keep it here. Just keep it here. Try to be a little bit conservative. No, man, no. What do you think about the 200 moving average? Shit, it's cool. It works. Everything works, guys. That's what you have to understand. Yeah, let's put stop as support. Genius. Sleaze. Let's see your trades, Sleaze. Mr. Sleaze. Let's see what you got. Yeah, we're most likely cooked in this trade. But oh well. Oh wells. I added that. I'll see if I can find another trade. If not, I'll just take it as that. It's a Tuesday. Like Tuesdays are usually good, but not all the time. Try to see if I can get one more trade in. Try one more trade if I find it, and then I'll just, you feel me? I took NQ shorts. I'm happy that I'm in profit, but so sad that my favorite trader is in drawdown. Oh man. Nah, it's cool, man. Drawdown is part of the game. See, I knew I should have kept my stops where it's supposed to be. Like Tuesday's the new Monday now. That's what it's looking like, man. I don't like it. I do not like it one bit. Do we shoot up from here after stop and stand out? Is that what we want to do, Price? See, guys, I told you my stops were misplaced, bro. I don't know why I wasn't listening to myself. Because now if I enter another trade, that'll just be like, what the fuck, bro? You could have been right the first trade. You just placed your stops accordingly. But no, I was being a goat. I was being a cow. I was being a sheep. Oh, them short videos? Yeah. I've just been a bit lazy, but to just record my trades. But I'll do it. I'll do it. It happens. Yeah, it happens. I'm not tripping, guys. Trust me. I am chilling. If we inverse that again, ooh. Getting back in that motherfucker. Does this demand my hold, bro? I just misplaced my stop. Just like I said, right when I was doing it. Yeah, this is my IVG strategy. Yes, sir. You gotta take L's like a champ, brother. Can't let one loss fuck you over. Losses are part of the game, man. That is the only way you can become profitable. So let's see here. If we can just inverse that. See, guys, my stop was misplaced, bro. I hate that. Cause look, it bounced right into the zone that I marked out, but my stop was just misplaced. So yeah, I'll definitely retake it if I see anything else. Like, for example, if we inverse that, I'll retake it. That'll be my last trade for the day. You go with the wick retest on the 15-minute. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, Tuesdays are definitely the new Mondays, man. Like, what are we doing here, brother? Very, very choppy. Chopsticks. Chop. Yeah, if I could only take one trade, that'd be a win in my book. If I could just take one loss, that's a win in my book, guys. Thank you. My shorts. Thank you. Yup, L's are part of the trade, and my friend is sitting on 20 PAs, but he's too afraid to lose. If he's afraid to lose, he's afraid to make money. That's just the facts. Can't be afraid to lose, but 20 PAs, you need to take a trade, man. Just take a high quality trade. Drew Mo, I'm here with you, man. Drew Mo, my man, welcome to the chat, brother. I hope it's not lagging like I think it is. Drew Mo. If I could just take one loss, bro, that's a win in my book, honestly. Like, honestly, if this thing trades back into SL, a complete SL, I'll probably just not take any more trades. Oh, my cam video is lagging. Okay, stop spamming that. I get it. My cam is lagging. Okay, cool. Spam that, you get blocked in the motherfucker. Guys, I'm gonna try these longs again, like, because I see a fair value gap here that just got inversed in. Well, it hasn't gotten inversed yet. If it closes above that, I think I want to try those again. Guys, it sucks because I literally got stopped out simply because my stop was misplaced. And I literally said it. I was like, bro, my stops are too tight. Like, I should probably bring it below this demand zone or this fair value gap. But no, I didn't. Love your videos. Thank you. So, but yeah, if we don't get a new entry, and I just take one loss, bro, I'll be so happy. Cause that's just a $200 loss, bro. Like, what are you gonna do with that? I step outside, I spend $200. So where are you from? I am from the beautiful country of Ghana. Just say beautiful. I know I forgot to say beautiful, man. That's why that shit didn't play out. I forgot to say beautiful. Oh yeah. I'm about to start saying beautiful in my short videos before he gets it trademarked. It's getting trademarked soon, brother. So you gotta be quick, cause it's about to be trademarked very soon. I love your short videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, this huge dick candle. I want to enter again. I want to. Damn, bro. My guys, you saw this. My stop was just misplaced, bro. That's annoying. Very annoying. No, not 11. Let's do 10. Very annoying. Trigger me in that motherfucker. Yeah, Nas is going long, bro. I was right about the direction. I just misplaced my stop, bro. That's all. I'll need this thing to trigger me back in this trade, bro. Like, come on. Please. Okay, it got me in. It got me in. Woo! Let's see. So if I lose this trade, that is like maybe like 4 something that I lost. Whatever. I'm back in this trade. You're eating, playing my videos? Nice, nice, nice. I love that you guys love my videos, man. I gotta keep it coming, bro. I've been lazy. I've been slacking. Damn, you guys saw like be done for the day. Nah, fuck that, man. That first loss is annoying because if I just, it doesn't matter. I keep saying it, but it doesn't matter. It's already happened. But I'm just saying, like, should have just placed my stops where they needed to be. Because if this trade is a loser, if this trade ends up being a loser, that would be very annoying because I would have just only needed to take 1 loss instead of 2 now. You know? Always got to think about your losses first. Is long position a good choice? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Man, YM doesn't want to be nice to a young Nick. I know Sleaze is over there like, yes, he's losing. Yes. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, we're probably cooked, man. Cooked. Say beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's go. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep it pushing. Beautiful. This is, yes, I'm using, yeah, 2 monitors, yeah. Well, I'm using one curved monitor, and then it's connected to my laptop. So I'm in NQ longs, stop loss below this level. Let's keep it pushing. Let's go, let's go. Need a nice push to the upside on price. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep it pushing. I know, right? I gotta be in profit first, but I'm trying to manifest my profits, you feel me? Right? The moment I said beautiful, it shot up. I'm trying to manifest my profits, man. Trying to manifest that shit. Let's keep it pushing. Let's go, let's go. Need a nice push to the upside on price. That shit is so funny, bro. I don't even know how I came up with that. But that's literally what I like. If I was to be talking, like when I'm talking to my Discord members when I'm trading, or like if I'm just talking, or like telling people how I'm thinking when I'm in a trade and things like that, that's literally how I'm thinking. Beautiful. Yeah, today's market is just, I should have stayed out after that first trade, but fuck it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're just accumulating, distributing, accumulating in that motherfucker. Yeah, PA is buns today, man. I shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yep, another loss. I'm done. I'm completely done, guys. What the fuck? Look at this price action, bro. Redunculous. Completely done, man. On a Tuesday too? Like what? Yeah, not taking any more trades. I am done. Let's see the losses. Yep, peace out, man. Peace out. I'm about to just hop in like an experienced trader. You're gonna get cooked, bro, for sure. You're gonna get cooked. So I'm down 456 unfunded. Sheesh. What a nice way to start my funded account. What a beautiful way to start my funded account. Yeah. This is it. I'm down 456 on this. I'm down about the same here too. I guess it just hasn't updated. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. One trade should be able to make this back up. So, chilling. Let's see. Yeah. Yep, 2 losses. Right here. You can see 2 losses on each account. This is representing each account. One account, the second account, first account, second account. But yeah, man, I'm done. Wednesdays, I don't like trading on Wednesdays. Like, Wednesdays are usually not good for me. So I was planning on trading on just Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. But with how market moved today, we might see better price action tomorrow during this time, because that's what price likes to do. So might see better price action. This thing might still go my direction, bros. That's the most annoying part. That is the most annoying part, bro. Or maybe it just wants to chop people up, man. Go up, go down. Go up, go down. Yeah. This chop is disgusting. Yeah, you did tell me not to get in. Well, I didn't listen. You did tell me, bro. I should have listened. Yeah, I'll get it all back, hopefully. The next time I'm going live, I'm going. The amount of patience you have is thank you. This is just years of experience. The next time I'm going live, I really don't want to go Wednesday, so I wanted to schedule it to Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Honestly, that's what I wanted to schedule it to, because those are my best performing days based on my strategy. I'm going to show you guys my trade journal so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. This is my trade journal, guys. All right. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about for Tuesdays. And so if you can see here, right here, right? I was just a way for me to highlight it, but there isn't. So just look at the days right here where the mouse is pointing to. So Mondays, 38%. Very, very ridiculous. So Mondays, I shouldn't even be trading. Tuesdays, 84%. Like Tuesdays be hitting, bro. You feel me? Tuesdays be hitting. That's why I'm like, okay, let me just trade on the days that I hit the most. You feel me? So Tuesdays, Wednesdays are shit as well, 43%, as you can see. Thursday 75, Friday 70. So realistically, statistically, if I trade on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, I should be good. And just avoid Mondays and Wednesdays, you know? This is why journaling is important, guys, because it helps you, you know, track performance, like which days perform the most, which day, you know, things like that. So, but yeah, man. So Mondays are out of the question. Wednesdays, I can kind of consider it, but at the same time, like, if I want to be if I want my trading to be statistically driven, I should just avoid Mondays and Wednesdays, honestly, you know? You know what I mean? But guys, I'm telling you, this trade might still go my direction because it keeps tapping back. It keeps tapping into this demand. I keep saying demand zone, but yeah, it's basically a demand zone. This FVG keeps tapping into it and then rejecting it. So I think we want to head up. We just have maybe some liquidity down here to collect first. I don't know. Who the fuck knows, man? But yeah, Tuesdays are good. Wednesdays, you feel me? Wednesdays are quite shit. So let's see what happens. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This life is lit. Yep. Thank you, Paris. Oh, you trade the same way? You trade similar? That's nice. Your trading has to be data driven, man. It has to be. But Paris, you're lit. Fuck with you. I don't know if you know, but this is Ghana in Spanish, man. You're a real winner. I started because of you. You taught me after the year. Oh, nice. Jomo, nice. Damn, I don't even be knowing, like. Yeah, no, I'm not getting back in the trade. Nah. I literally have a strict 2 trades per day rule. Sometimes, of course, I break it, but 2 trades per day per session. So I have different sessions that I trade. This is one of them. So I'm only taking 2 trades per day, and I allocate certain accounts to certain sessions. So this account, I'm done with it. I'm gonna go trade with my Discord in a few minutes. I'm gonna use a different account because I have multiple funded accounts and things like that. So this session is done with. Like, I'm cool off this, man. 2 trades, I'm done. I'm not taking any more trades. I don't give a fuck who has to say anything. Even if Larry Fink tells me this shit is gonna shoot up, I'm not taking it. So yeah, anything can happen. Yeah, we're getting ready for the big move. I think it's to the upside, but you never know. Fundednext, send code. Fundednext, if you want to use Fundednext, use my code StanFX. Nice one. It's 2 days. Okay, yeah. 2 trades, no more than that. Honestly, once you start going more than 2 trades, that's when you start like tilting and doing all kinds of things. Yeah. Where do you go to look at news? forexfactory.com. Fundednext, yeah, you can use my code StanFX for futures and Stan for CFDs. It's kind of backwards, but who knows and who cares? Man, this chop is so annoying, bro. But yeah, I'm literally done, guys. It was fun being on live with you guys. Until next time. Maybe tomorrow. If I come out tomorrow, I'm gonna alert you guys. I'm gonna post, but I highly doubt it. I want to stick to the Mondays. I want to stick to Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. You know, just try to, you know, stick to that if possible, and see how that plays out. Are we ready to shoot? Like now? I'm fun. Guys, watch this shit play out, bro. Watch it play out. Let's watch it play out together. How many contracts you normally trade? It just depends on which account. If I'm trading one on my 150k accounts, I'll probably take like 4 or 5 cons. If I'm trading on 50k accounts, probably like one to 2 cons. You know, it just depends. Yeah, now it's going up, everything going up, bro. Like I knew it. I just needed to be stopped out first. So honestly, the mistake I made was that on the first trade, I did not put my stops where they needed to be. So this is why, like, you know, doing the right things is very important, guys, because the first trade, I did not put my stops where they needed to be. So I got stopped out, you know, unnecessarily. So I had to re-enter. But had I put my stops where they needed to be, the first trade would have eventually stopped me out, but then I would have had one more trade in the bag to use. So of course I would have tried to look for longs as well. Since we keep tapping into the zone, I would have tried to look for new longs, and then my second trade would have probably been profitable. But no, I wanted to do some dumb shit and tighten my stop. So I got stopped out by the wick. Then I had to re-enter, and then the re-entry also stopped me out. So it's very important to just do things that you're supposed to do when you're trading, you know? Like, I know what I was supposed to do, but I didn't do it. So being punished for it. Do you trade outside the New York session? Not really, nah. Not really. I actually don't. Unless I want to just, you know, play around and shit, but so yeah, that's why doing what you got to do is very important. It is what it is, man. So yeah, man, that's why you gotta do what you gotta do, for real, for real. Like, I know this shit gonna still play out, bro. It's a Tuesday, nigga. What you talking about, bro? Tuesdays always hit. But we wanted to chop a bit more before. But yeah, pretty much done, guys. I'm pretty sure this thing is still gonna hit TP, but since we're chopping, it might take some time. But I believe it is. But anyways, that is that, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. Perhaps tomorrow or Friday, or perhaps tomorrow or Thursday. I'll let you guys know. So hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace. Peace out, guys.